Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a copy of the XLS file so you preserve the original. This prevents data loss if conversion alters formulas. Once done, open the copied XLS in the Excel desktop app, not a viewer, because the app reads legacy formats and handles compatibility. Make sure macros are disabled until you inspect them. This protects you from unexpected code. You're doing these steps intentionally. Copy, open, check macros. That sequence keeps control while you proceed with the conversion. Once the file is open, run Compatibility Checker via File, Info, Check for issues. It lists features that differ between XLS and Xlsx. You should resolve flagged formulas, replace deprecated functions, and update charts because Xlsx enforces stricter structures. If macros exist, export and review VBA modules, then remove or adapt them if you want a macro-free Xlsx. Make incremental saves after each fix so you can roll back. These careful edits prevent errors when you finally change formats. Now save the cleaned file as an Xlsx using File Save as Excel Workbook *. Xlsx. Excel warns if macros or incompatible features remain. Confirm you want a macro-free workbook when prompted because Xlsx cannot store VBA use. XLSM if you need macros. After saving, reopen the Xlsx and scan formulas and charts to verify integrity. If something breaks, revert to the duplicate copy. Rerun Compatibility Checker and address the specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.